wanted to create something, or if someone asked me to create something. So I just scroll through Instagram and Facebook, and somehow my friends, my artist friends, inspires me to do something. And I get inspired with their artworks as well. Like, it's so beautiful, I want to do this, not necessarily copy that, but I want to do something like this. And then somehow it motivates me, and then I sometimes scroll to my past works as well.
Mm.
And then I'm thinking, how did I do this? How come I'm very creative at this particular time, and then I can't think of anything right now? And then somehow, when scrolling my past works, it motivates me, even just a little bit. And then, you know, scrolling, watching YouTube videos on how people do things. And then it's somehow thoughts and ideas come to me.
Mm. Right. But I am also wondering, what are the struggles or the challenges that you have of being a calligraphy artist or an artist
So,
in particular? Yeah.
mhm, mhm. So sometimes I struggle when I'm comparing my work with others. I'll
Mm.
be honest with you, there are times that I'm having that, oh, why is this artwork so beautiful and mine isn't? There are
Mm.
times that I'm thinking like that. I'm thinking negatively. But then, I overcome that by thinking that I'm different, this person is different. Maybe his or her timeline is different than mine, and it's okay if my progress is slow. Because sometimes I'm thinking that I'm not improving.
Mm.
I'm sometimes having that thought in mind that I'm not improving with what I do. It's just like this forever. But then when I look back, just like last time when I saw my other calligraphy work, I was amazed actually. I was amazed that, oh, is this mine? Did I really make this? And then when I compare it with my work now, it's really different by a mile.
Mm.
It's really different from the colors, the way I write these things. It's really different. So when I can, that's when I realize that, oh, I'm improving even just for a little bit.
Mm.
And then another challenge that I have encountered before is when someone asks me to do something for her or for him or for a particular project. I'm someone who is um uh I am someone who overthinks. So even I start creating things, I really think a lot.
Mm.
Even before I start. So I'm thinking, would she like this? Would she would she love what I do? Would she like this style? Would she like this color? So I end up doing nothing. I don't do anything at all. I'm also a procrastinator. That's one thing that I don't like about myself. I really procrastinate, especially when someone asks me to do something, because I'm really scared.
Mm.
I'm scared and I'm afraid that maybe you won't like it. I may like it, but maybe someone that asked me to do this won't like it. So that's really my challenge, being a calligrapher or an artist.
Mm. And I think that's something that everyone can relate to as well, not just in this particular topic, but also comparing ourselves or seeing our or telling ourselves that it's not enough, or telling ourselves that what we are doing is not enough or what we have is not enough. But I think it's important that at the end of the day, we realize that we're different from everyone and that what makes us unique, right? Also, if that person asks you to, do that particular projects for them, I think they did that or they ask you to do that because they've seen potential in you already, or they've seen that you're good. Our minds can be a biggest liar sometimes, and it can really affect how we view things. and also overthinking. So, yeah, you'll just have to, as cliche as it sounds, but you have to just believe in yourself, believe in whatever skills or talents that you have. Now, let's move on into the most interesting project that you have worked on so far.
So the most interesting project I've worked so far was just recently. Maybe others know this, and you also know this, that I started a small business,
Mm.
a very small business. So I started, putting together journaling kits because someone asked me. So shout out to Miss Sally if you're listening. My small business started because of you. I was thinking of this before, but I was too afraid to start. But then my sister asked me that her friend, her coworker, which is Miss Sally, wanted a journaling kit for her daughter.